take a shaker glass and add some ice cube into the shaker glass. Then add some fresh ginger slice. After that, then you have to pour 180 ml of pineapple juice. Then pour 30 ml of ginger and lime syrups. After that, you have to shake all the ingredients properly. Just shake well. Then take a copper mug if you are having. Then pour all the ingredients into the copper mug. Then you have to fill the mug with lemonade or Sprite, or if you are having like ginger ale, you can add ginger ale into the mocktail. Then you have to garnish with some fresh ginger slice and mint spring. So your mocktail is ready. Pina mocktail. Thank you for watching my videos.